Members of the Sangguniang Panlunsod of Roxas City went topless. The councilors displayed their abs and tattoos for the last time. The Roxas City Council has just approved the half-naked ordinance. It was a big achievement for Jericho Celino, so he removed his shirt. The ordinance wants to promote decency and orderliness in the city. You can only go topless in Roxas City on 6 circumstances. Violators will have to pay 500 pesos penalty, render 3 hours of community service, or go to jail.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.